Hey friends, Megan Elizabeth from ByMeganElizabeth.com, founder and creator of SheMakes.Club. We're doing a stronger September, and I wanted to do a scrapbook layout with this photo of Nate and I using the flower shop kit that we are using inside SheMakes.Club for our theme this month. So I'm just going to cut it down to size that I want to go on this really cute bright yellow chevron designer paper that's part of the kit. I'm going to do a really simple layout with this, nothing too crazy. I'm going to focus on the sticker and a little bit of the pattern paper. I love this zip strip here, so I'm just cutting off that bottom 1/4 inch, and then I'm going to cut this flower paper in half at 6 inches. But I'm not going to center it directly on my 12 by 12 white daisy cardstock. I'm going to just do a strip and kind of give myself about a 1/4 inch or so along that side, and then kind of center my photo from the Happy Together sticker that's part of this flower shop paper pack. I love the sticker sheet, and I love how reasonably priced this paper with coordinating stickers are with Close to My Heart, so you can check those out at any time at bymeganelizabeth.com/shop. But I just love the size of this sticker and how it looks on the white cardstock. So it really is a great anchor and focal point for this. And then I'm just going to adhere down the sticker, basically centered with that middle line there, even though that's not necessarily the center of the page. You can kind of see it's just centered in there. And then I wanted to grab some of the flower shop embellishments. I love the navy blue die cuts and this little tag, and then the hearts are so cute. So I'll pull out a couple of those, and then a couple of the hearts from the wood green die cuts as well. Maybe we'll use another tag or so. I always end up pulling out more than I end up using, but it's still nice to have. And then these white acrylic flowers and arrows are super cute as well. So I'm not doing a ton of embellishments or a ton of extra decorations with this, just keeping it really simple. I'm ripping a few of those zip strips that we cut off the edge of that floral design. I love the floral pattern on there, and it's just a great, if stacking in sets of 3 and not doing it completely straight across is a great way to kind of draw your eye across the page. So that's what we're going to do. I'm just ripping the edges and leaving it a little bit distressed there on the edges. A lot of times when I do this, I ink the edges, but for this, I'm just going to leave it plain and let those rough edges kind of speak for themselves and go across in that stacked way. And then I'll use those hearts to kind of draw your eye up, and they're 3 different sizes, so that looks really great. So I'm just grabbing either a zig squeeze and roll, or this quickie glue is really great. It's a nice fine point. I like to use this for more of my my Cricut cuts that are on paper. It works a lot better on paper than it does on acrylic shapes, or even some of these die cut shapes that Close to My Heart offers. So switching to the zig squeeze and roll, which has been my go-to favorite for, oh gosh, almost 15 years now. It's hard to believe that we've been doing this for this long, but so very blessed and thankful to be able to do that. So it'll work a lot better on these pieces as well. And I'm going to do the white acrylic arrow at the bottom, again continuing to draw the eye out and across, and then I will put the white acrylic flower up underneath the photo, keeping it really simple. So again, just using that squeeze and roll right on there. The great thing about the zig squeeze and roll, if you're kind of new to my videos, I've talked about this a lot over the years, but when you first apply it and it's still blue, it's a great permanent hold. But once you let it kind of dry a little bit, it turns kind of clear. And if you apply it when it's clear, it's more of a removable or a repositionable hold. So there's so many different uses for the zig squeeze and roll, and then having that fine kind of rollerball tip. It's just been my go-to forever. I love it so, so much. So that's what that is. And so I'm just applying that down. It works great on the acrylic, and it's a very simple layout, complete in under 10 minutes time, which literally, actually this one's almost done in 5 minutes, which I love to be able to do. I'm going to grab a gold metallic pen. I'm going to include, this picture was taken on my birthday this year, so I'm just putting the date in the gold pen there, and I'm not going to go any further with journaling on this page. So to be able to do something that really pops out, has a great bright, happy feel to it. I love the flowers. It's just awesome. So thanks so much for joining me today, you guys. Have a great day. Enjoy the moments, and I'll see you soon at SheMakes.Club.com soon and by MeganElizabeth.com. Bye-bye.